Whoa. That looks sick. What's up guys, welcome back to Z and Abs and Zab project. So today we got this lovely R33 GTR replica. You might have seen the introduction video earlier. What we're going to do today is we're going to remove these front two wings, replace them with Z-tune wings, put new suspension coilovers, because we don't really like the stance if it's too high. These are the two Z-tune front wings we're going to put on, slightly wider. These are 20mm wide. These are going to look better. We got our full suspension coilovers. We've got some drill bits, got some rivets, WD-40, wood plank, and not to forget, big old jack. So let's get started. I think first thing we'll do is remove the front wings, then take the suspension off, replace the front suspension, see how it looks, see how low or high we want it. Step we're going to do is we're going to put this wing on, passenger side. Let's see how that goes. So out with the old, in with the new. Alright guys, we managed to get the first passenger side front Z-tune wing on at the moment. This is how it's looking. Gotta say I like it. It's a lot more wider than the other one, a lot more. I'll show you the front. So it's on the new coilies, it's lowered, just where we want it, new wings on. Imagine you have this bolt on, got this bolt on, drilled a hole there, got to put that bolt on, got to drill the hole over here, put that bolt on, then you got two, one over here, and one over there. Alright, then it should be permanently on. Alright guys, so we finally managed to get this front wing in. It's all bolted on permanently. As you can see, we put a rivet here so the screw can easily be tightened up. Just finished the wing off, just need to put that indicator on. After that, it's lined up nicely. And also, once we've lined everything up, put everything back together the way we want it, just got to take this off, put a nice mesh grill in here. Kind of like it. Alright guys, we managed to get the front suspension on, so both front suspensions are on. Car is nicely stanced. It's all bolted, torqued up to the right spec. This side wings on. Got this side wing to put on right at the moment, so that goes on next. We've also got some add-ons as well. So gonna put the side skirt on, add-ons, gonna put this front wing on. So let's get cracking. Alright guys, job done. Got the front suspension on, got the Z-tune wing on. Got this Z-tune wing on, got the front grille on, headlights are bolted. However, this side's nicely lined up. But this side, don't really like the alignment of it. If I get closer, the bonnet's literally sitting right next to the wing, and when you open the door, there. Whereas the other side is perfect. So I think what I'm going to do is realign this side wing. Alright guys, finally got it aligned. Made a bit of a mess though. So refiberglass some area. We have drilled too many holes. Right now the wings are on, front suspension's on. We aligned it where we wanted it to be. Adjust the suspension whether we want it, how we want it stanced. Next step we're going to do is this lovely 400R bumper that we're going to put on. At the moment we've got a standard with some GTR lip. We managed to get the rear bumper on, and I have to say, just give it a more of an aggressive look from the back. Ooh. So next, we're gonna have to remove these rear spats for the 400R. As you can see, the bumper sits more lower than the original one. And then we've got to do this side here. Same thing, remove that GTR spat for the 400R. Now, do you want to show you something? The previous owner put this rear GTR kit on. The amount of filler the guys put on, it is mad. Look at that. Abs, what do you reckon?
That's what we call professional work.
Professional work. What to do? All right.
Is that you, bro?
Let's crack on with the rear spats. Alright guys, look at that beauty. He is slammed. So we managed to get the rear suspension on, rear bumper on, put the rear wheel back on, put the rear 400R spat. And look, it just started raining. It's going to be raining about half an hour or so. It should clear up, and I think we'll have to go back on it. For now, just have to wait. Finally guys, it stopped raining, sun's shining, now we can make a move on. So I think the next step we're going to do is put these feed side skirts on the add-ons. Once we've done that, go on to the other side, put the rear suspension coilover on, side skirt, side skirts, add-ons, and the lower the car, see how low it is. See how the stance looks, how low we want it, if we need to adjust. Coilover on, wheel on, rear bumper spat on, rear bumper on. Abs, what you reckon?
Looking mean. And we've taken a dip off as well, as you can see from the door.
Yep, plastic dip off. And that's the true colours behind the dip. It was actually better than that. I reckon dip just ruined it.
Yeah, what we're going to do, hopefully next plan of this car is sand it down, prepare primer, and then hopefully think of a different colour for it.
I like the add-on. Add-on looks nice. 400R rear bumper.
See, this bumper compared to the original one, this slants more down. Goes more down. It doesn't go in from the bottom. It just comes
Yes.
the other one showed the exhaust. This highs the exhaust in.
It's a lot more bigger.
It's more chunkier when you lower.
Definitely
it down.
chunkier.
When you drop this car, the stance it gives you is much better.
I reckon we should show the viewers how it looks when it's lowered. Yeah, Abs. Should I lower the car?
Yeah, I'll lower it.
And then once we've done this, on the other side to do coilover again, side skirt, feed, these I keep saying feed, side skirt add-on. Ooh, sitting low. That's how it looks. On to the other side. Alright guys, car is complete, side skirt on, add-on on, rear suspension on, car adjusted. This is it, it's all done. Okay, check it out. Got front original GTR bumper, GTR grille, bonnet, Z-tune front wings, original GTR side skirt with add-ons now, all around suspension, coilovers, GTR original spoiler, dips off, rear GTR arch, obviously fiberglass copy version, 400R bumper, inside add-ons. So stay tuned for the next episode when we do the bodywork. Obviously that's in the near future, not now. Abs, when do you reckon we do the bodywork?
Ooh, amount of projects we're going on at the moment.
Yeah, because we had to put our Supra project on hold just for these few projects that we had to do quickly. So maybe after the Supra project finishes?
Hopefully, if we get the Supra whacked down the next week or so, we should be hopefully starting this bodywork.
That's it guys, so stay safe and stay blessed. We'll see you in the next one.